Unveiling the Magic, the meaning of a Christmas miracle. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that beautifully blends language learning with cultural exploration: a Christmas miracle. This phrase evokes feelings of wonder, hope, and the unexpected. Let's unravel its meaning together and discover why it's so powerful and cherished during the holiday season. A Christmas miracle refers to an extraordinary event that brings about a positive and seemingly impossible outcome, especially during the Christmas season. This can range from acts of kindness and love to unexpected good fortune or the resolution of a difficult situation. The key elements here are unexpectedness and joy, embodying the spirit of Christmas as a time for hope, generosity, and miracles. Historically, the idea of miracles during Christmas is linked to religious stories and traditions, symbolizing divine intervention and blessings. Over time, it has evolved to encompass secular stories of human kindness, resilience, and miraculous turnarounds in challenging situations. This phrase captures the essence of Christmas spirit, transcending religious boundaries and celebrating universal themes of joy, hope, and the goodness in people. A Christmas miracle often finds its place in literature, movies, and songs, serving as a pivotal theme that drives the narrative towards a hopeful and joyful resolution. Classic examples include stories where characters experience personal transformations, reunite with loved ones, or overcome great odds, all set against the backdrop of the festive season. These stories reinforce the belief in the possibility of miracles and the magic of Christmas. This phrase can be used to describe any event or situation around Christmas that feels extraordinary and brings happiness. For example, you might say, "Finding the last toy my son wanted for Christmas on Christmas Eve was a Christmas miracle." It's a way to express gratitude and amazement at life's surprises, particularly those that embody the spirit of the holiday season. We hope this exploration of a Christmas miracle has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also your appreciation for the rich cultural narratives that language can convey. Remember, miracles can be big or small, but it's the joy, hope, and love they represent that truly captures the essence of the phrase. Thank you for joining us, and may your holiday season be filled with your very own Christmas miracles. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.